Effusive eruptions at the volcano continue with no signs of abating. Volcanic activity, which previously appeared stable, is now exhibiting increasingly alarming dynamics. 2 to 3 lava flows are still active, flowing slowly but steadily, sliding down the steep slopes. Currently, incandescent lava has emerged with a frightening new appearance from several new cracks that have opened at 2 different locations on the eastern slope, indicating that the magma pressure beneath the surface remains very strong and continues to seek an outlet. This rare phenomenon is classified as an effusive eruption, a type of eruption dominated by the release of liquid lava rather than explosive eruptions. However, despite the absence of large explosions or towering ash columns, the situation on the ground is anything but safe. A more violent eruption is predicted in the near future. Lava flows that appear calm from a distance actually pose a deadly danger. Lava temperatures can reach over 1,000 degrees Celsius, incinerating everything in its path: trees, agricultural land, infrastructure, and even residential areas. New cracks appearing on the eastern slope indicate that the magma system within the mountain is experiencing unstable pressure. Each crack has the potential to create a new pathway for lava to escape, significantly expanding the affected area. Residents near the foot of the mountain now live in a shadow of uncertainty. At night, the fiery red glow of the lava flow is clearly visible, reflecting against the dark sky, creating a beautiful yet terrifying sight. Beyond the immediate threat of lava, other dangers also lurk. Volcanic gases, such as sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, continue to be released into the air. High concentrations of these gases can cause respiratory problems, eye irritation, and even poisoning in humans and animals. A thin layer of volcanic ash, sometimes carried by the wind, has also begun to cover several villages, covering roofs and crops, disrupting daily activities. The volcano monitoring team has raised the alert level and continues to closely monitor seismic activity, ground deformation, and surface temperatures. Data indicates a continuous supply of magma from within, meaning these effusive eruptions can last for extended periods. In some cases around the world, lava flows can last for weeks or even months, permanently altering the landscape. The situation is made even more dire by the unpredictable nature of the fissure patterns. If magma pressure increases suddenly, effusive eruptions have the potential to become more explosive. Such changes could result in the release of incandescent rock, pyroclastic flows, and taller ash columns, posing a much greater risk to surrounding areas. This uncertainty is what makes the situation so tense. Rumbling sounds from within the earth are occasionally heard, followed by subtle tremors felt by residents. The previously solid ground is now showing signs of deformation. Some slopes appear to be cracking, and small landslides have begun to occur due to the combination of extreme heat and weakened soil structure. Small rivers around the mountain are also at risk of being contaminated by volcanic material, increasing the risk of lahar floods in the event of heavy rainfall. Amid the increasingly tense situation, authorities and volunteers are on high alert. Evacuation routes have been prepared, and some residents in the vulnerable zone have been relocated to safer locations. However, many remain, hoping the activity will soon subside. Every day, their eyes are fixed on the volcano's summit, monitoring for any small changes that could signal a greater danger. This ongoing effusive eruption serves as a stark reminder of the uncontrollable power of nature. While seemingly calmer than an explosive eruption, the lava flows continuing to flow from fissures on the eastern slope have the potential to cause enormous damage. As long as the magma continues to flow and the pressure beneath the surface remains unstable, the threat will remain lurking silently, yet ready to change everything in an instant.